to be pleased.
Please?
Yeah, ever heard of it?
Pleased to be playing nursemaid as bored princess. Pleased to be keeping tabs on every petty thief and vagabond. Well, in day and day, that blithering idiot remains salted!
What you working on, boss?
My penmanship.
Looks like one very old, very important document.
The next new paragraph I just added, listen to this. Should an unmarried royal princess, who's so heir to the throne, fail to choose a husband at the time allotted, the Sultan's highest-ranking official,
That would be you.
let me finish! The Sultan's highest-ranking official, that would be me, will immediately inherit all the privileges, powers, and rights of the Sultan.
So now all we gotta do is make sure she doesn't fall for anybody before tomorrow.
And if she does, we make sure he has
A freakish, tragic accident.
a freakish, tragic accident.
As you wish, my Sultan to be.
As I wish, when nothing's ever been as I wish. In my formative and hungry years, I was unappreciated by my peers. As the slings and arrows, I would ponder, wouldn't you? Why me? Why me?
For a man of your charisma and mystique, you have taken far too long to reach your peak.
Why is my status always low?
Why does no one want to know?
For me? Why me? Why am I so unable to fulfill my true potential?
Kept down by those who know it's more right.
The consequential.
What does it take to catch a break?
So I need to find my time. I've got years and years and years before my prime.
Plus there's no one on the scene as the source will press me. Me!
As me!
Who's the victor?
Who alone?
Who will overthrow the throne?
Who knows what to do when this are bad to be?
Who is he?